just tripping off on reset here, the stack switch. For about a minute and a half and tripped out and trying it again. I pulled it out, cleaned it, didn't look dirty. Enough to change that or put a 8184G down there with a burner. We'll have to see. Check my draft. I'm getting draft. I'm getting draft here. But we'll see if it trips out or not. I think I got a stack switch in the truck. Probably just going to change it straight up. Be done with it. I could use that as a junction box. And put a protector relay with a CAD cell down here. That's a better way of doing it. But I know I got one in the truck, so I might use it. This old beast, I told this guy he needs a new boiler. I was here when did a cleaning on it, made a new oil line. This is what I call a pancake boiler. Water feeder. Check valve. Expansion tank up there. I need a new boiler. Almost circulator. I'm gonna have to change that thing either way. I don't want to be coming back for it. We'll see if I got one in the truck. Alright, I got another stack switch here. I'll change it out. If not, I'll be back anyway, so we'll change it. TT. I said I usually wouldn't put these back, but I got one in the truck, so I'll use it. TT. And then I got it going through the limit here. How it comes in, goes through the limit, then comes back. There's the power coming in here, this one. Goes in through the limit and then comes back. Comes back to 1. Get some tape on this shit. Alright, we're gonna put some tape on this. This comes in here, goes down through the limit. That black one there's the limit. This black one here will be number 3. This is going down, feeding the boiler. Number 3, put some tape on that one. Put some yellow on that one. I'm marking that stuff down, number 3. And then number 2 is white. And then number 1 comes in from the high limit. That's fine. So pretty simple. Power comes in, goes down through the high limit, back, feeds 1, and then when this relay it comes out 3 and feeds at the boiler. Number 4 is the transformer that can drop out. Alright, they're just sending power down, feeding both continuously, which is fine with me. I got no issue with that. Alright, I'll just take these off and there's a screw that goes on the side there. I'll have to put that in there. see what we got here. We know white goes to L2. Put that one on right away. L2 is white. So we know this red one and this white one go together. That'll be the feed coming in through the high limit. And then it comes back to L1. Everything's got to go through the limit. Make sure we're tight. Alright, and then this yellow one's going to be the motor. If you see number 4 in there, it drops the transformer out, but I ain't got a problem leaving it running continuously. It's fine. I just have to tie these two together here. There is a line here for the transformer, but I'm good with it. do the high limit. Alright, the next thing will be the thermostat wire. This one can take a 3 or a 2 wire. This is strictly 2 wire. It'll go on a TT. That'll be good with it. TT, had a good connection there. Alright, so power comes in on red, goes down to this limit, back from the limit to 1, L2 is the white, and then it feeds from the yellow to the burner. And this thing's got a reset right here, that's how you set them. There's usually a little delay on them. Alright, give it a minute to pull in. On these you gotta wait, sometimes there's a delay on them. That's how you reset them, you pull that lever. A lot of times I won't reuse these, I'll use these in the junction box and put a control down by the boiler, by the burner, but I had one so I'm using it. An old one, it's called a stack switch. That will sense the heat and expand and keep it open. It's a safety. You got like 90 seconds before it trips out with these. That's the old stack switch. The new protector relays are usually on the side with the red button or the CAD cell. It's a safety. This thing works as a safety. It senses the heat and expands. That's all it does. That's an old one, real old. Wiring diagram. Put another fire blanket in there for the guy if you can see it. I rebuilt the firebox. Last time I was here I ran this oil line overhead. Yeah, did a combustion test. New stack switch. When I came here this morning, the stack switch was tripped. I reset it, and it ran for, I cleaned it and I reset it, and it ran for 90 seconds and tripped out, so I changed it. If not, I'd be back. Alright guys, thanks for watching.